Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you remove components from your website in Webflow. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access on the website, and here we can see all of the websites that we have created. Here, if you want, you can go ahead and create a new website by clicking the button right here, but for today's video, I'm going to be using this website right here called YouTube Tutorials that I have created. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer. And now this will open up the website in the page. So as you can see, currently now we are in design mode. So guys, let's say that you have some components that you want to remove from your website. It's very easy to do and you only need a couple of steps. So let's go ahead and look at the left side of the screen. You can see right here that we can see all the necessary options that we need to see to be able to manage our website. So now I'm going to go ahead and find the special option that has a component on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this text right here because I have made a jumbo component. As you can see, I have named it my jumbo component right here, and this is the component I want to remove. So guys, go ahead and find the piece of text that you want to remove the component for, and now I'm going to go ahead and right click on the text right here. After right-clicking, now this will open up this new drop-down menu with multiple options such as wrapping it or copying it and so on. And we want to go all the way down and find this option right here called Unlink Instance. Now guys, let's go ahead and click on Unlink Instance. And as you can see, after clicking on Unlink Instance, now we have successfully unlinked it from the component and the component no longer exists. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.